What's up guys, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. This is an ultra slim mechanical keyboard from KEYCHRON. This was a Kickstarter project, I think 5 or 6 months ago. I don't even remember what color switches I ordered. We're gonna go ahead, open it up and check it out. It's really exciting. You can use this wireless and wired with USB-C, built-in battery, 15 different color modes, and they have very unique low profile hot swappable KEYCHRON optical switches. All I do remember, I did order an extra set of switches in blue color, so if you want we can actually switch out the switches. So let's open up this DHL packet real quick. This is some really nice packaging. All right, let's see, what do we have? There were some add-ons I ordered. I think I got the carrying case as well as some extra switches. So let's see. This is the box KEYCHRON K3. I do have the KEYCHRON K8, which I really liked. So I'm excited to see what this keyboard can offer. This is a 75% layout. There you go. So this is a carrying case or a pouch. And this must be the extra switches. Yep. Yeah, so these are the blue optical KEYCHRON switches. I have no idea what color I got. I'm thinking maybe brown switches or red switches, but we'll find out. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy content like this, you might want to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. And if you like this video, please go ahead, give this video a like. That would be the biggest help you can give me with this video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, pull the camera up. We're gonna go ahead, open it up, check it out, test it, do some audio test, and give you my final conclusion. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead, set aside these blue switches. We're gonna get back to that. This will be much faster unboxing, so let's go ahead, check out this pouch. Ooh, this is nice. I think this was a $20 add-on when they start selling this model on Amazon, which is typically where they sell most of their keyboards. I'm not sure if they will have this and how much they're going to charge for this, but this is really nice. It is soft, so it's not a hard shell. It's just a pouch, so if you're going to throw it in your backpack, at least you're not going to have the keys pulled or scuffed or things like that. So very, very classy, and it says KEYCHRON right here. A sleek, compact, low-profile wireless mechanical keyboard. Compact design, dual compatibility. It works with Windows and Mac, and it has the extra switches that you can, or keycaps that you can switch them back and forth. You can use them wireless or wired. You can pair up to 3 devices. And battery life, it says with the capacity of 1550 milliamp, the battery life lasts up to 2 weeks when the backlight is disabled. And you have 15 different light effects. And this is pretty much it. The case looks very small, chic, and minimalist, which I am always a big fan of. This comes with a dust cover as well. It seems something very simple and small, but you don't appreciate one until you actually have one. So I'm really glad that we're getting one with that. This is their quick guide, and you do not want to lose this. So if you have this, this will give you this is basically your cheat sheet to all your lighting effects, your Bluetooth connectivity, and all that stuff. It's a beautiful color guide, and it is highly appreciated that they include this, and it's so simple. If you do want to geek out, you do have a full owner's manual that you can dive right in, but I found myself not needing anything besides this with my KEYCHRON K8. And here it is. Soft plastic wrapping and beautiful. When you take it off, like I said, you have this dust cover. This looks really nice. First glance, I'm not a typer. I see this, I just want to go type something. It's weird. It looks very sleek. The colors are so beautiful. The grays, they're iconic. Orange escape key that you have. The frame is made out of aluminum. I hope I didn't make a mistake and order both of them in blue switches, because it looks like these are also blue switches. Oh my God. No. How could I make this mistake? Oh my God. Is this the same? It is the same. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. All right. So I don't have a second set of keys that I can test for you guys, but I do want to tell you about these blue switches. So these blue switches, they have a 48 grams of actuation force. Their pre-travel is 1.1 millimeter, and their total travel is 2.5 millimeter. They are clicky, they sound clicky, they feel clicky, and obviously if you're a typist, it feels really good for that. Or if you're a gamer and you like to make a lot of noise. But in an office environment, you may really bother your neighbors. So kind of keep that in mind. I still have to go see my order and make sure it was my mistake and not the order. So let's take a look around. Uh-oh. Oh no. So my unit is damaged. Looks like it's damaged in the shipping. It's bent on the side. That's 2 strikes so far for me that it really bummed me out about this. But let's take a look at the physical characteristic. At the bottom, you have 4 rubber feet. 2 of them are almost flat, and the other 2 are slightly raised, as you can see right here. So that way you have a little bit of angle when you set this on the table. You also have these switches back here for Windows or Mac, and whether you want to have the keyboard turned off, whether you want to use the cable, or whether you want to use the Bluetooth. In the accessory box, we have a switch puller. We have a keycap puller. We have a nice braided USB Type A to USB Type C. And these are the extra keys if you want to switch to from a Mac to Windows or Windows back to a Mac. But this also gives you an option if you want to have some symmetry between the colors. So this is the light effect key. You do get an orange light effect key, which I personally will like that. So we can go ahead and switch this one key out real quick. These keycaps, because they are so thin, be honest with you, you don't even really need a keycap puller. You can just go ahead and take it out with your fingers. There you go. The switches that they have used has MX style stem and stabilizers, and obviously that would help with stability and reliability of the keys, but also if you want to change some of these keycaps, you may have some options in near future as well. All right, we're gonna do a quick sound test. These keys feel really good. Let me get the KH real quick. I really like it. The thinner keycaps, it takes away from that kind of like tin can and hollow sound, and you actually hear the clicks, and it's a very subtle but yet sharp sharp note that you hear, and I prefer it much better than the K8 that I have here. Now that I think about it, even though these are clicky, because the volume and the loudness of the keys is much less than what this other keyboard is producing, so this is not that bad. I really enjoy the sound. Let's take a look at some of the features real quick. So the way you can switch between 3 devices that you connect at the same time, you hold down the function button and you press 1, 2, or 3. That's how you can switch between the 3 devices. Let's get to the lighting effect. It says press the light effect key. Okay. Now to change the color, we hold down the function button and hit right and left, and then the color should change. So I ordered RGB and this is not RGB, so this is the 3rd disappointment. Ah, come on. I really think they sent me the wrong unit. I don't think I would have ordered the 2 of the same color switches. And I know I paid for an RGB and this is not even an RGB. Yeah, this is supposed to change colors and it does not. Besides the fact that I ordered RGB and this is not an RGB, and the fact that this is damaged, this is a really nice keyboard, to be honest with you. So I'm going to be working with their customer service, which in the past they've been really nice. So I'll figure out, see how I can go ahead, correct some of these mistakes, and I'll give you guys an update. But at least wanted to share my experience with you. Overall, again, it feels really good when you type. The light is really bright, and it sounds good and it feels good when you type. So anyways, this was it. Sorry to disappoint, but I'm not able to show you the RGB features because I don't have that. But as far as the keyboard itself, love the switches, love the sound, love how it feels. So real quick, future me here, I went back and confirmed my order. This is not what I ordered, unfortunately. I ordered the red switches, and that's why I had gone ahead and got the blue switches. So I have a linear and clicky switches. I sent an email to the customer service. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm probably gonna still go ahead, post this video, and then I'll make an updated one once I actually get the unit, because to be honest with you, it could be a few weeks before I can get that. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you found this video useful and or entertaining, and you learned something new. Maybe you got excited about wanting to upgrade your keyboard. Whatever that is, drop a comment down below. As always, let me know how I can improve my content. You guys are doing a fantastic job letting me know what else I need to do to try to improve my video and audio quality. So keep those feedback coming so I can give you better content moving forward. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.